Guys, so this is a Breville coffee machine. I'm gonna show you how to clean it when this light comes in. Clean me. First thing first, we're gonna check the back compartment um, and basically change the filter, the water filter, because usually you should have change it like at least like once in a few months. So this is how you open it. Take this one apart and change it with exactly the same model filter. I'm gonna show it right here. So yeah, we're gonna install this one, put it back in the same way, and make sure it's tight. um, Oops, sorry. So yeah, it's tight. Now don't forget also to change the date, I mean the month, here on this one, so you know exactly at least the month when you change it. You can see I didn't change it for a while, so we're gonna put it back in place, add some water. I usually add clean or filtered water. See, I added full, and now let's put it back. Okay, all good. Now we're gonna take this one apart and put this one, the smaller one, in. That's that's what I remember from the manual. I should put this one back here. Make sure it snaps, and then use the rubber thing right here. Put it also inside, and we're gonna add one of these pills. I got this one from Amazon. I'm gonna a link below, but you can choose any other brand, but I'm going with this one. So put just one in the middle, and we're gonna put it back in place like we want to make coffee. And the next step is gonna be to turn it off and push the two buttons that makes coffee. Yeah, these two buttons, and then power on. So I'm gonna have my friend help me. I'm gonna push the two first and then the power, and keep it for a few seconds. And here you go. It's flashing. So yeah, it's started the process of. So this is gonna take probably 10-15 minutes or so, or maybe a little bit shorter, but yeah, you're gonna see that this cup is gonna be full like this, like here. So now we have to pour all this stuff, get rid of it, and push the button to make coffee, so everything is clean inside. Usually I clean it like twice or 3 times, because I'm gonna show you at the end. The water should come up clean. You see it's not clean yet, so we're gonna add it one more time. The water should be like crystal clear. Let's see. And it's all good. You can see it's clean. So now we're gonna take the handle out also, and take that rubber out. And also I'm gonna clean it because sometimes there is some stuff inside. You can see left. Yeah, just take it out, give it a rinse, and install the other part back. Okay, so yeah, this one back, and I'm gonna also show you what coffee I use. I use this one, Stampton. Green size is at 14, and this one should be right at that line right there. Yeah, like this. And 14, and it's just the perfect size to make coffee. This is like a bonus. I'm gonna leave a link of all the products I use down below. These are affiliate links, so from Amazon or eBay. So feel free to buy with those links. It's basically the same price, but Amazon is gonna give me a thanks for bringing you in. So let's try and press it. And it should go all the way like right in the middle. Like so. Like you see, it's in the middle of the gray, so yeah, it's perfect. So that's it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Peace.